Okay, y'all, so I cracked the zipper code. Okay, I was able to put a zipper in a garment and lay it nice and neat and flat. No zipper foot required or whatever. Let me show you how to do that. I'm starting on the skirt. We're gonna start with the zipper and the back panels. Okay, and zippers are tricky, but I've learned a couple tricks along the way. So the first thing you wanna do to line your zipper up is to line up the right side of the zipper when it's facing down. Okay, right side touching the right side of the fabric. So the right side on the left panel. Okay, so if you attach the first part of the zipper correctly, it should look like this. The piece that you sewed should be tucked into the seam on the back side now when you turn it to the right side, like this. Okay, so if you choose to do a top stitch, all you have to do is unzip the zipper. Okay, so I just unzip my zipper, and if you notice, I don't use the zipper foot, okay? Okay, so when you have it lined up with the second side, everything works the exact same way. You don't have to do all those extra techniques like they tell you on the zipper pack, flipping it and twisting it and da-da-da-da-da. Okay, I just lined up my second piece. Okay, lined it up the way I did my first piece. And when I sew my zipper, I keep my zipper closed and then just sew all the way down. Okay, see, my zipper is in place, but this side has a top stitch and this side does not. I haven't pressed it or anything, but look how clean the zipper lays with the top stitch versus without the top stitch. You see how